So, every month, an assembler shares a personal story about how they're trying their best to be the person that they want to be. Today, we're hearing from Reid Nicewonder. Love your last name, by the way. Yes, folks, that is his real name. He's been a member of SELA since the very beginning, another veteran. He's a filmmaker, artist, an integral part of our volunteer team, as well as a secret karaoke ringer. Just FYI, ask him about it. Let's do it. So let's hear it for Reid.
Thanks, guys. Hey, what's up? So yeah, my name is Reid Nicewonder, and today I'm going to be talking about how I'm doing my best. So it's been one of my main goals for the longest time to help promote skepticism and critical thinking. And what better way to do so than to utilize the same medium that first introduced me to these great values, YouTube. But I really had no idea how. All of my favorite YouTubers were so charismatic and such talented performers, and I was the farthest from the thing. So I sadly put it off and just watched from the sidelines. But then in January of 2015, I stumbled upon something that put me in a state of awe. There was this guy that was uploading countless interviews he was having with people. He would talk with them in a really friendly way about some type of belief of their choosing, something they really thought was true. And then he would ask them these interesting Socratic questions that focused on the reasons why they held the belief, in effect demonstrating the values of critical thinking and skepticism in just the most amazing way. His name was Anthony Magnabosco, and he was practicing this thing called street epistemology. So this was it. This was something I might possibly could do, but I was absolutely terrified. How could I, as someone who struggles to even make small talk with family and friends, have conversations with strangers about their most deeply held beliefs? Well, my journey began online through the Street Epistemology Facebook group, which I think we're watching live now, so hi guys. And I could see examples there of other people having conversations and getting feedback. I participated in a few role-play sessions, which helped get me started, but I still felt I was nowhere near ready to actually go out and do what Anthony was doing. Luckily, a few months later, this new video chat site, at the time called Blab, was launched. Shout out to all-around tech enthusiast Noah Wiles for turning me on to that. Thank you very much. There, a bunch of us from the SE Facebook group could chat with actual real-life people. I distinctly remember shaking with nerves the first time I went on camera. I was absolutely terrible at first, but over the next few months, with some practice, I was getting better. But then Blab shut down in August of 2016, and I found myself in need of a new way to talk with people. It only took me a few weeks later before I worked up the courage to actually go out and start talking with people the old-fashioned way, face-to-face, and filming my own interviews. So I set up this table on the side of a trail in Griffith Park and just sat there with my sign that says, "What do you believe and why? 5-minute interviews." And amazingly, people were totally willing to have a short chat. My mantra was to fail forward, and fail I did repeatedly. But I posted my failures to the SE Facebook group and got some really great feedback. What really helped me, though, was watching myself back on video for hours on end, that I really started to find my way. And then near the end of 2016, I started my own YouTube channel and uploaded my first public video. So I'm especially happy to say that throughout all of last year, I managed to go out nearly every week, at least for a few hours, to chat with people, inspiring a bit of intellectual reflection, all the while having a ton of fun. And this is some of the result.
That was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. Thank you very much. Tell me your name again.
Reid.
Reid. That's what I thought you said. Okay, great. Yay, this was so awesome.
Oh, awesome.
I love it. It's great. It's a tough question.
All right, man. Good luck with this.
This is awesome, dude. Keep it up.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
You're asking tough questions. You really are. You're doing good.
Wow, this is really interesting. Are you doing it for yourself or for...
Yeah, it's just a hobby.
Dang. Good job.
Because it's... You're good at this.
These are hard questions.
Something that comes from within?
I just put myself in a rabbit hole and I can't get out of it. I think this is really cool what you're doing here. It's
Thanks.
pretty cool.
Thank you so much.
Do you
We can
wanna-
maybe take a pause here and think about it, and maybe come back in a minute or so?
He's asking me tough questions.
Yeah, so,
That's powerful stuff, man.
thanks. Yeah, it's just stuff to think about, maybe.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for that. That's really enlightening. I never thought about it like that.
Okay. He's asking me tough questions. I didn't even learn this in Bible class. Or I slept through it.
Reid, I'm gonna check you out. What's your YouTube channel?
Cordial Curiosity.
Cordial Curiosity.
Yeah.
This is very cordial.
Thanks. Lived up to the name.
Thank you so much, Reid.
Thank you.
Good shit, man.
Have a good day.
You got me thinking, bro. Thank you.
Thank you. So that's me doing my best. Thanks.
Thank you, Reid.